and day. And the ships which run upon the sea, with that which is of use to people, and the water which God sends down from the sky, thereby reviving the earth after its death, and dispersing all kinds of beasts therein, and in the ordinance of the winds, and the clouds, obedient between heaven and earth, are signs for people who have sense. And of his signs are the ships.
وَالْجِبَالَ أَرْسَاهَا.
The lightning for a fear and for a hope.
هذا خلق الله فأروني ماذا خلق الذين.
It is he that created you from dust. Lo, herein is indeed a sign for people who reflect.
Reflections